Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace your Polar fridge or freezer door seal. First, you need to locate the model number, which is inside the cabinet, and will look something like DL895A. The door seals are a push-in seal, so they pull out of a channel very easily, and they press back in just as easily as well. You can go on our website, type in your model number, buy a new door seal. Once a new seal arrives, you can remove the old seal by pulling it out from the top corner, giving it a bit of force, and it will pull straight out from the plastic channel. Once you have completely removed the door seal from the channel, you can give it a bit of a clean. And then you can grab the new door seal and clip it straight back into the channel, just like how the old seal was removed. This is our new seal. It's much more heavy duty, much tougher, with stronger magnets inside, and it lasts much longer.